Hey guys, Mike here from Rust Brothers. Just giving you a heads up, auction day is getting closer. It's less of the month. So April 12th, you can either be here, bid in person, you can go online, egauctions.com, check it out. There's gonna be 70 or 80 of my favorite projects that I've saved all these years. Some of them, a lot of Dodges, some Chevys, a few Fords even, some Pontiacs, something to float everybody's boat. The whole crew's gonna be here, Avery's gonna be here, Blair's gonna be here, even your favorite cameraman, Matt, is gonna be here. So come and check it out, April 12th. There you go, don't cut yourself.
Got a jackpot here.
Yes, Matt.
Some bread.
Oh, sure.
It's stale, but it's okay.
No. Oh, no.
Some maple bacon cheese.
Ooh, maple bacon cheese.
Maple bacon cheese.
Maple bacon cheese. It's gotta be good. Is it thawed out or still frozen?
Do you know where you're going? 18 kilometers. We're good for now.
One month more, yeah. You got 12 minutes.
I want to cut myself here. Just to cut away from yourself, right?
Just cut a big chunk off the top, Matt. Yes. There
Through
you
the
go.
plastic like a barbarian.
Yeah.
Slip my own throat. There's plastic on that.
Look at that. Maple bacon. Look at the mess you're
There's a
making.
nice sharp. Ow! Nice. With some capicoli. Or what is this?
Yeah.
It's German stuff. Did you just like, who hacked all this off?
I did. I can just slice a half-inch chunk.
Is that what you're doing?
Yes.
Oh, Jesus.
Don't make a mess.
Focus on the road so I don't cut through the. I'll be looking at
Just
the.
hold it in your hand.
I don't want to cut it through the ladder. I don't want to cut it through the ladder. You take it that way?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, just focus on the road.
Oh, yeah.
I'm unsheathing it.
Nom, 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 nom.
How much is your interior upholstery damage deductible?
Labor?
Deductible.
Well, that's good, eh?
That's lovely.
Thanks again, guys. Appreciate it.
Thank you, everyone.
You guys kept me alive on 4-day drive from Toronto
That's from
to Red
Toronto?
Deer. Yep. That's from the car show.
I'm just gonna cut through my thumb. What am I doing?
Just take bites, Matt. Why are
I
you
want a
risking
nice little, I want a little layer here. The meat underneath always.
All we need to do is stop and get a tomato. Isn't that lovely? Delicious and nutritious.
We are weak.
We are weak, but he is strong. Yes, Jesus loves me.
That cheese is good. With a little maple.
Oh. Okay, round 2 of the meat, cheese, and stale bread.
After some pepperettes were aggressively thrown on the floor.
See, that's why I don't clean out my truck.
Right.
Somebody would have thrown that out, and then we wouldn't have got to eat it.
Yeah, but it depends how long down the road.
Well, it's been there 5 days,
I know,
but it has been cold, so it's kind of quasi-refrigerated down there, man. Oh, I
just don't
see
put
you.
your finger there.
I see you slice mine super thin.
No,
and
I
yours
don't have it lined up. I'm afraid to cut.
Make it a half-inch thick. What are you doing?
What do you mean? This is more of a daintier meat,
Oh, is that okay?
I think.
Chef Matt.
It's supposed to be fine, like,
I know.
thinly.
Yeah, but I like big chunks of it because it's so good.
I know it is good. This is very gluttonous on this.
Oh yeah, little delicate piece there, Matt's
At my
ribs.
throat.
Oh,
Oh yeah. Well, did I give you a second piece? This one makes up for that.
oh, that's good. Just taste that salt. I can feel my blood pressure rising. Thank you.
Your blood pressure rising.
Oh, there's a
There's a cheese.
New England fromage, monsieur.
It's like a hobo going through my food bag.
Put me on the
It's
floor.
on the floor, like a hobo would.
Just slice through the plastic.
Okay, just settle down, bro. Bro. Okay, don't stab yourself.
No, we aren't turning yet. No.
Just can you please just don't
No,
stab
no,
yourself.
no.
What about turning? I stab myself.
So much for not eating today,
We're
man.
eating good today.
That was so good. feel like Avery. Yep. So I have gravity working. It doesn't all stop on the bulge. Him and Donnie, eh? You put a dinner plate on Donnie.
It's good. I've seen it.
Yep. Got his own built-in TV tray. I'm sorry, Donnie, I'm cruel, but not to be kind, okay? I'm catching up.
It's very like when you start biting into the cheese, it's very creamy.
God, that's good.
You know what I go for right now? Some kind of nice, creamy soup.
I could go for a nice, fresh, organic
Take the
tomato.
exit, then keep right
Yeah,
to merge onto Trans-Canada Highway
else
1
you
West
said?
toward
Right, just to
Banff.
put the juice into the bread.
Oh, but yes.
Here we go.
The best thing would be a nice and crisp, slightly vinegary dill pickle. Kosher dill
Yes!
pickle. I think that.
Well, unfortunately, I don't have any dill pickles.
Oh,
Reaching.
your cousin! Oh, your cousin! Your cousin!
There are some nice.
Oh, hail your cousin!
Yes, yes.
Where are they?
There's only one jar
I want it. Yes?
behind the seat. Yes. Why not? Why not?
Oh, that's gonna be good.
My cousin Carrie. She only gave me one jar of dills, 2 jars of bread and butter, but we need the dill pickle.
Where is it?
Well, don't be throwing me pickles.
I can't. I'm going in blind here.
You're looking for dill.
Oh yeah, wait a minute.
Boom! Boom! You know what?
Disgusting.
For a pickle, I will.
Just disgusting display with a meat hanging out of my mouth. What a freaking barbarian.
You're a disgusting human being.
Yeah, sometimes.
Oh,
Mm-hmm. Wait for it. Oh.
why don't you use the corner of the knife, Mom?
Oh, my fingers.
No, not the edge. Use the other. Okay.
There we go. So slice my thumb off.
Might be worth it.
Ooh.
Oh, thanks, Carrie. Oh,
We good?
num 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 num.
Okay, there we go.
Put the lid back on. Do not spill those.
I'm not done yet. Oh, yeah, those are good.
You can have one with every sandwich, Matt, or else we'll eat them all.
Better have a few more sandwiches out.
Well, let's just sample the brine.
Stay in the left 3 lanes.
Oh, take a sip,
You
Matt.
good though?
Take a
I
sip.
don't mind that.
Take a sip. That is just, oh, better than mouthwash, babe.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah.
close them back up, Matt. No more.
One more?
No more.
You said 2 more? You said 3 more. Okay, 3 more. Okay, fine.
We'll save that for when we're done.
Okay,
Just
sure.
in case we have an accident and we're stuck out here for 2 days. We got
I'll
some.
keep them here on my cup holder on this side, just to be safe that we know it's there.
Okay, put the food away,
A little
Matt.
bit, one more little piece of
Yes.
cheese. It's like a little thinner at the second half. Okay.
All right, no. Wow, what a great snap that was, huh?
Oh my God.
Good thing one of us is prepared.
If you're not prepared, you're famous. You're not prepared, you're famous.
No, I'm not famous, I'm prepared.
If you were prepared, that means you're so egotistical that you foresaw the fans giving you something, so you wouldn't have to buy any snacks on the way home. That would be megalomaniac.
I chewed on their stuff for here. Well,
This one's got a bit of a bend to it.
make it level, Matt.
Why, you don't like the bend?
No, just level it out. Here, I'll take that.
Yeah, we just
Okay.
watch the road, please. That's
Lovely. Of course, you know you're not going to shit for a week now, right?
Why?
Because we're eating cheese and
Sulfate?
stale bread and
Sulfate?
capicoli.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
Is that a thing?
Well, there's not too much fiber involved in any of this.
It's really dry. This is definitely, gonna need a detail after this. It's getting in all the cracks. Oh, we didn't have any with our sandwiches though. With pickle would go really well on top there.
No, next time.
Okay.
Maybe we should buy a fresh baguette and golden. What do you think? We still got half a capicoli left.
Go on, shoot.
Wow. Thanks again, guys, for the meat.
I need to test it first before I can recommend it.
Okay, but put the capicoli back in the package, man, so it's not
What's that?
greasing all over this rental car that I'm going to have to detail.
The screen of your phone.
Yes.
Wow.
Wow. He was going to give me another thing of meat, and I said, you got any capicoli? And then he dug this one out for me, just as I was leaving the show.
Wow.
Amazing call.
Superior meats. right?
Superior Meats. Now, there's a lot in the name. Superior Meats. Rust Brothers and Big Time Decent approved. 2 thumbs up.
Yeah. Wow.
You feel better now, big guy?
Really good, yeah.
Yes. Some protein.
I gotta do some work.
That was a pretty good breakfast. Okay, put the meat back in the plastic.
delicious.
Yes.
Should I put the other way? Like that?
Yeah, that's good, yeah.
Is that smart thinking?
Yeah. Sometimes you amaze me, man.
Put that in your door like that.
No, just put
So
it.
you have it handy.
Put it back in the
In
bag.
the bag, it's gonna roll around.
It's okay, Matt. Put it in the bag with the cheese. And remember, just in case we get caught in a blizzard, we still have some dry, crusty bread. We can get
It's the
some
hot sauce.
and hot sauce.
This looks really good.
That's a hot chorizo. Go ahead, Matt. You can do
No.
it. Sample it.
Are you gonna have some?
No, but the pepperoni. There's a pack of pepperoni on the floor that's open.
Is there?
Buffalo pepperoni. See if you can find it.
Let me just kick around some rotten banana peels
Yeah.
and apple cores
Which one's that?
and upside down drinks of whatever.
Oh, this is D&D Meats. This was another guy gave us this.
You're gonna have a big turf war going.
Yeah.
You start promoting all of them. Oh, what's this? This is
Stop.
almond ice cream wrapper.
Oh, I had a moment of weakness.
Busted. Nice nail sausage.
Oh,
There's a nice,
well,
like orange peels, coffee upside down.
no. They're all empty. Go deep, Matt. Go deep. I know there's a packet because I ate a bunch of them.
Nothing.
Mind you, could be on the floor back here too.
It could be in the bag.
Yeah, could be in the bag. What else is in there?
Oh yeah,
There we go.
Buffalo.
D&D
pepper.
Meats. Another shout out. Hang on to it. D&D Meats. Good stuff.
You're just officially started a turf war.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, you probably ate half of that already.
Yes, I did. It could have been the rats that have moved in.
Possible.
Oh, that's yummy too.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm. I think that's buffalo, isn't it? Yummy. Okay, we're gonna flip it around and get a time lapse going through the Rockies.
Okay.
Do your magic.